You're not actually lazy. Your brain is just stuck in a survival loop. Here are 3 science-backed ways to fix it. Ever feel like your biggest dreams are being held hostage by a version of yourself that just won't move? You've got the vision, but your battery is perpetually at 0. You tell yourself, tomorrow is the day. But when tomorrow hits, the cycle repeats. You want to write that book, transform your body, or master a new craft. But instead, you're lost in the endless scroll of a screen. This isn't a character flaw. It's a biological trap. Your brain isn't lazy. It's intimidated. When a task looks like a mountain, your survival instincts scream for the comfort of the couch. But here's the truth. Laziness is just a habit, and habits are reprogrammable. Think about every time you felt paralyzed because the goal seemed impossible. Saving money feels like deprivation. Getting fit feels like torture. Your brain is simply avoiding pain, but you can outsmart your biology with 3 lethal strategies. Step 1. Radical simplification. Big tasks are terrifying, so you must make them microscopic. If you want to write a 200-page book, don't write a chapter. Write 1 single sentence today. It's like climbing a peak. You don't leap to the summit. You take 1 gritty step at a time. If you're learning guitar, don't aim for a concerto. Just nail 1 chord. Focus on the progress, not the finished masterpiece. Step 2. Engineering routines. Willpower is a finite resource that runs out by noon. You need routines to act as your autopilot. If you want to run, put your sneakers right by your bed so you step into them before you can talk yourself out of it. Routines are the training wheels that keep you upright until the habit takes over. What's 1 tiny ritual you can start? Maybe it's the morning to-do list or that first glass of water. Step 3. The 2-minute rule. The hardest part of any journey is the first inch. Promise yourself you'll work for exactly 120 seconds. Want to read? Read 1 page. Want to clean? Start with 1 corner. Once that ball starts rolling down the hill, gravity does the rest of the work. Bonus. Link action to pleasure. Reward yourself the moment those 2 minutes are up. Listen to your favorite track or take a breather. This trains your brain to love the start. Everyone you admire started in the dirt. Their success wasn't magic. It was the accumulation of tiny sparks. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be the person who starts. Your dreams are a fire waiting for fuel. What will you do today to light it? Failure is just a data point on the map to success. Be kind, be consistent, and stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Take that 1 small step now. Your future self is waiting.